Morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. Where have I been? Is that even a question? Am I still vlogging? I don't know. I really don't know. I feel like I get good at doing something and then I stop. You know, there's no consistency with me. And I know you guys understand because there's been a lot going on. Two of my kids are back in school, and then two of my public, two of my other kids are out of school, the twins. They're virtual, and then Madison, she was going to preschool, and then COVID, there was a positive case at her school, so I pulled her. So today, which is Tuesday, I don't really like Tuesdays. I don't know why. Tuesdays are just unnecessary, but it's in the week, so we have to. I clean. I have to get Madison dressed and do her hair. I have to go and pick up dinner. And I have to grocery shop. I really don't want to go grocery shopping. It's just something about grocery shopping that I don't enjoy anymore. Right now, my refrigerator is bare. Bare? Is it bare? Bare. Whatever. It's empty. My pantry, not so much. It's okay. It's a lot of dry goods in there, but my refrigerator is it's looking a little pathetic, but I don't enjoy going grocery shopping. That's why you guys don't see too many hauls on my channel anymore, because I don't. But I decided that today that I was gonna pick up the camera and vlog. My fingers, my hand, I'm here. There's a lot going on that I really don't share. I'm not really that type where, you know, yeah. Let's just get the day started. Let's start by cleaning my messy house. Good morning, guys. So, first order of business when I clean is I like to start a load of laundry. Oh, look at my little cans. I have my my dryer sheets in here. I have a ton of bathroom mats that I washed a few weeks ago, and I still have yet to put them back in. No, well, I put up fall bathroom mats. I need to put y'all somewhere because I need to get the day started. But okay, how about that? I switched over for fall in my bathroom, and I washed all the regular. I feel like that's an awkward position. I washed all the regular bathroom floor mats, so I have to put them more. They go in my closet over there. I've just been very lazy lately. Can't let depression and all of that take over because I'm an adult, right? And as adults who have children, they need their mother, okay? So I'm gonna do a load of laundry right now. I'm gonna vacuum hallway. I'm gonna go make all the beds because you guys know they have beddies. A few of you were asking me about that. Yeah, they have beddies, so it's easy for me to make beds if they forget to make their beds. The older ones, not so much. You know, they don't get a pass like that. My younger ones, like Jaxson and Maddie, I tend to manage their room. So after I get done with laundry, that's my whites right here. So I usually pile them up right there. I have to get them done today. I need to do a laundry room makeover. It's been on my list. I need to get it done because I don't like to operate in a space that is not beautiful. Anyways, Madison, Maddie, come upstairs. I gotta get you dressed. Come here, Mama. Oh, my Bookie, look at her room. Hot mess. Hi. 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 So, I have to clean her room. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It could, Jesus, I can't speak anymore. It could be worse, right? It could be worse. But I'm going to get her dress and clean up her room. Yes, baby. Do? Destiny is at school. What do you want to wear? What do you want to wear? Come. What do you want to wear? Huh? A pretty dress? Pretty dress. Ooh, what about this one? This is a pretty dress. Yes? All right. All right. Let's get your underwear. And let's get your brush and stuff to do your hair. All right, come on.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
We're all done, sweetie. Let's show the sunshine how pretty you are. Ooh, this is where her hair got cut. So unless I put like gel and stuff in it for it to get up. Yeah, I know. Unless I put like gel and stuff in her hair for it to stay, it's not gonna stay. It's not gonna stay. So she's dressed, and then I want to go to Walmart. Giving her the whole side eye. Nothing is more worse than a toddler closing her door. What is that baby doing? Nothing is more worse or frightening than a toddler closing her door. Like, what are you doing? What are you legit doing? So, my bed's made. I need to go find my other pillow. I think they're downstairs somewhere. I have to wash my sheets tomorrow. I changed my bottom sheet that I sleep on. The top cover I don't use because it was a bit heavy for summer. And then my fall sheet, I think I have to wash that. But I changed my bottom sheet, the one that I actually sleep on. I'm a weirdo. I have to clean my closet. I had some stuff on the floor. I have to clean that. I have to take the pillows off of these chairs. Those pillow insert and wash them. I have to finish getting all the clothes from wherever they lay or lie, whatever, and clean off my nightstands, and then make my way downstairs. Luckily, the boys did their chores. They're in charge of the kitchen, and they're slowly getting better at it. Not really to my standards, but I give them credit. So I'm gonna go downstairs and deep clean my kitchen after I'm done here. And I think I'm gonna take the toddler with me because I don't trust her. I don't know what she's up to. Yeah, let's do that. I have to clean this off and get it in the twins' room. I'm so lazy. I don't want to. Okay, so room's clean. Upstairs. I need to call. I need to make a phone call. But it's 10:26. And I need something to drink. So, what am I? I got my pumpkin spice mug. I should drink out of my pumpkin spice today. This one says, "You're my sunshine." It's a summer mug. Let's do the fall. I have to deep clean this kitchen. Time is going by so fast today. I don't know why. I love the fact that this mug has a heart on it. Time is going by so fast today. It is not waiting on me. I just finished my devotional. And also something my friend sent me, or my girlfriend sent me over something that I just finished. And I have to finish laundry and go to the grocery store. But I'm gonna show you guys my fall kitchen. It's a mess, but who cares? So on this little shelf right here, all I did was added a pumpkin, and then my tea blanket ladder, and then added some pumpkins. That's all I did there. Here I just added a fall hand soap. That's my dish soap. And then over here I just added this pumpkin that's all crooked now. I just added that pumpkin. Not the Lysol. And then this is one of the tier stands that I did. My candle. I'm using the mug that I put there. Another tiered thing. And that's what that looks like. That's what it's like. Then over here, this is what that looks like. On my island, that's trash. I have my, well, that don't belong there, but we had a birthday party. And this is what I did for fall over here. And then on the table, that's what I did. And then my living room is a hot mess because the boys are in there. So that's my tour. I'm not gonna do a fall tour this year. I'm not in the mood. Not in the mood. My house is completely decorated for fall, but I'm just not in the mood to showcase my house. Like, I'm just not. So I'm not in the mood to do much of anything lately. And I know eventually. Did you look at it? Look, I'll be right back. Hot. I'm gonna go sit down and enjoy this, and I'll see y'all probably when I go pick up dinner, because I don't got nothing else to do today. Did I tell y'all that I got refunded for my refrigerator? I sure did. Sure did. They gave me back my money. Have you ever done this? I forgot to feed the toddler breakfast. Ask me how, because yeah, it's 10:57, almost 11 o'clock, and I forgot to feed the toddler. I am coming. She just came to me and she was like, "I'm hungry." My bad, Daddy. Sometimes it happens, you know? It happens sometimes. But I'm about to make her some oatmeal. So I'm about to make her some oatmeal. And yeah. I forgot to feed the toddler. I don't have to pull my stove out to clean. I mean, I have to clean this, but I don't have to pull my stove out to clean under it. So, yay for me. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. So I cleaned my backsplash over there. And I'm cleaning my microwave, and I realized that this grease stain is in the actual door. Like, how do you get that out? I mean, this is the microwave that came with the house when we built, and I would love to change it out, but at the same time, I want to get my money's worth. 11. But I want to get my money's worth out of it. So, but how do I get that? It's bothering me because I've cleaned the inside portion and it's not there. It's actually in the glass and it's bothering me. Mommy. Yes, boo. You finished? You finished? Was it good? I want more. You want more? I'm going to make you lunch in about an hour. Can you wait for an hour? Yes? Okay. I don't know how to get that out. So if you know how to get that out, comment down below and let me know. Please, I would really appreciate it. I just need to clean my stove now. Clean the refrigerator over there. The kitchen is clean itself. And then get the rest of the backsplash over here. So I just made the toddler lunch. I made her a wrap. Mad. I made her a wrap because she kept on saying she was hungry. And I just fed her like less than an hour ago. Just fed her. But it's almost lunchtime anyways. And I'm still struggling. I'm still on the struggle bus. I haven't turned over the first lot of laundry that I did when I first said good morning. I haven't turned that over yet. I cleaned my backsplash, my microwave. Still haven't cleaned the stove. And I need to get something to eat. I haven't had anything to eat all day. I haven't had anything to eat all day. So let's go take care of that. So I'm going to have some leftover jerk chicken with ketchup that I made the other day. So that's what I'm going to eat. And then get going to the store. It's a little after 2 o'clock. And we are heading to our local grocery store to go pick up dinner. And I have to be in carpool lane by 2:45. Pickup is at 3:15, but it's more kids this year than before. So now if I'm late, like I get there at 3 o'clock, I'm having to wait a whole 20 minutes for my kids to get in my car, which puts me around, by the time I get back here, it's like 3:45, and I'm done. Nobody got time for that. So I'm gonna go sit and wait in carpool lane and go pick up dinner. Get this little missy in my truck. I'll be back, boys. Come on, mommy. Let's turn off that light. She's at the age now where she wants to be independent when it comes to get herself buckled in her seat. Of course, I have to supervise her. Come on, get up. I have to supervise her because, come on. Look at this, look at this. Look at this. Turn around. Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
All right. Need some help?
No.
No?
Mommy,
I'll help you anyways. Okay. Buckle?
Yeah.
All right, make sure you're sitting all the way back.
Okay.
Push yourself back. There you go. All right. Click it. You have to hear it click. Push these together. Did it click? There you go. Now we gotta get the legs. No. Don't touch that.
Why?
And then, because I don't want you to mess with the setting.
Why?
Don't ask me why. Madison, I said not to touch that. I have the setting. Just grab the middle piece.
You did it.
Grab the middle piece. Here, watch your finger. All right. Okay, lift your neck up. Lift your neck. Okay, nice and snug. All right, there you go. Don't touch it. Don't mess with it. Her little independence is great and everything, but she drives me crazy. It's like my little, oh, and then I try to squeeze into this little section right here. Like, look at that. Oh, Lord. But anyways, we'll talk to you when I get back. Okay, so didn't really vlog in the grocery store, but I picked up dinner, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. And then I picked up the kids. So here goes nothing. I got some meatball. It's just 128 count. Some pasta for dinner, and this meat sauce. And then I got 2 packs of cookies for Maddie. And that's it. I already put them in the pantry. I'm gonna start on dinner, feed my kiddos, and get started on homework and just hang out with the kids. So I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.